Assalamualaikum. We help you to most and why. The meaningful immersion activity help me to most because it allows me to focus on the present moment and appreciate those simple things. By paying attention of my thesis, I was able to slow down and be more aware of my thoughts and feelings. Commitment you I make to your mental health after the break. One concrete commitment I make to my mental health after the break is to set aside 10 minutes each day for mindful practice. Wonder it's meditation, deep breathing, or simply take a short walk outside.